Most amazing attacks of the leopard. In a combination of a gymnast, an acrobatic dancer, a super hunter, a stalker, and a mountaineer. Yes, the animal we want to talk about is the leopard. Although relatively small compared to other big cats, leopards are known to be dangerous and fearsome predators. Today's video, let's explore the powerful attacks of the leopards. Let's go! The most amazing attacks of a leopard. Compared to other wildcats, leopards have relatively short legs, a long body with a large skull. They are 1.2 meters long and weigh from 30 to 90 kilograms. They are extremely versatile animals. Leopards have the ability to leap more than 6 meters horizontally and 3 meters high. They stalk, rush, and jump very high to be able to catch their prey. This is how the leopard attacks eagles. Taking advantage of its ability to jump high, the leopard jumped up and wanted to grab its prey. But fortunately for the eagle, it reacted in time and flew into the sky to avoid the pursuit of the enemy. With a flexible, linked body, leopards also have the ability to climb very well, making a difference compared to other big cats in the wild. They can climb from 2 to 5 meters high without the fear of any small branches. They also climb into birds' nests to search for and attack the young birds. As a conqueror, the tall and fragile branches do not cause much difficulty for this animal. They can climb near the tops of trees and catch birds with light feet and flexible claws that have helped leopards firmly cling to the branches. And many times, leopards have captured and subdued the birds in the tall trees spectacularly. Number 2. The leopard attacks a monkey. Not only has the ability to climb well, but leopards have the ability to stalk their prey very skillfully. See how they stealthily stalk this monkey. They targeted, the leopards will persistently stalk and ambush their prey and try to get as close as possible, usually within 5 meters of the target. Then, it's suddenly rushed to chase at speeds of up to 60 kilometers per hour and grab the prey. An unfortunate monkey was grabbed by a leopard as it finished its prey with one bite on the back of the neck. The leopard also carefully holds its prey in its mouth and then waits until it is completely dead to take its meal to a deserted place to enjoy. However, sometimes leopards do not finish their prey, but play around and then knock it down. It is known that the leopard can catch the larger prey thanks to its huge skull and powerful jaw muscles, and is therefore strong enough to pull a carcass heavier than itself up a tree. Number 3. The snake is being attacked by a leopard. Leopards are carnivores that can hunt more types of prey than any other big cat. And this time, the leopard's prey is a snake. Let's see how the leopards defeat their prey. video captures a scene of a snake lying in the sun. As the leopard began to approach, it carefully observed and thought of the fastest way to defeat its prey. The snake stretched out to threaten and was counter-attacked by the leopard. It took a bite out of the snake's head as it grabbed it and let it go. Unfortunately, while negligent, the snake accidentally escaped into the lake. Sometimes leopards are also attacked by snakes. Which releases venomous bites that can injure the opponent. So when hunting snakes, leopards are often very careful and focused. Number 4. The leopard attacks a python. Because they prefer to live alone, most of their hunts are not accompanied by teammates. Its opponent this time is an animal that has the ability to squeeze and wrap the opponent until suffocation. Leopards have been stalking and intending to attack this python, but no, it was wrapped tightly by the python. Perhaps both python and leopard were tired after the recent acrobatics, as the python lay motionless while the leopard was still attentively observing the opponent. Being an animal with many natural characteristics, with the agility, flexibility of the body, they can hunt easily both on the ground and in the trees. However, leopards do not always get the desired results. If careless, they can be in danger from other notorious predators. Our video for today comes to an end. Thank you all so much for watching this whole video. And if you love to explore the animal world, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe so that we have more motivation to make more interesting videos. And for now, goodbye and see you.